you're looking to mount an antenna on your HiLux or your Fortuna, let's have a closer look at our side mirror antenna mount. So there's a bunch of ways you can mount your antenna. You can mount it on the bull bar or on your bonnet. But the beauty of this system is it's almost completely out of sight and it keeps your car lines clean and sleek. We've also retained the ability for the mirror to go all the way from the back to the front position. We've also ensured the design is compatible with any vehicles that have puddle lights. So this antenna mount consists of two parts. Firstly, the beautiful CNC part. This is what makes it all possible. This mounts to the hard structure inside the mirror, and then after that we mount the stainless steel powder coated antenna bracket to the mount. So to install the antenna mount, we recommend removing the mirror and the door trim. It is possible to do without removing the mirror, but it will make it much easier. We recommend installing some tape to protect your paintwork. So now we're going to remove the door trim. We're going to start by removing this bit of trim off the handle here. And then the armrest pops up like so. It's just got a little plastic clip there to stop it falling out. And then the power windows there, unclip him. So to unclip the power windows, there's just a little spot in here you need to push in, and it just slides out like that. Two screws in the door handle here, and another one where the lock is. So I've got the window trim to take off here. It just pulls off quite easily like that. This one's got a speaker in it, so we'll just need to pop that off. Now to remove the door trim, I'll just pry that off with a tool there, and it just pops off, pulling it out this way. Take the door trim off and push up like so. So the next step is we're going to remove the mirror from the door, and there's 1, 2, 3 M6 bolts. They are inside the door cavity, so you got to be pretty careful not to drop them. Here we go, last one. It's like operation. Unplug the mirror. So we're going to drill a hole later on for the antenna cable to come through. So we just need to mark the outline here of the access hole there. So now we've unbolted all 3 bolts, we can pop the mirror out. And there's a plastic trim behind here which comes out with the mirror. Goes back on like so. So now we need to remove this trim off the bottom of the mirror. This is where our new mount is going to go on. So just pull that open. Okay, we're going to undo the 3 T25 bolts in here, which we're later on going to use those holes to mount the new bracket. Using these existing 3 holes, we're going to put our beautifully CNC'd mount in there. Shame it's never to be seen again. A 4mm Allen key. And torque them up. So this is previously where we marked the hole in the door. We're going to drill a 9.5mm hole, which matches our measured antenna fitting. Now we're at the stage where we can install the antenna wire, which also runs internal inside the mirror. Just get them through there. So now we've got the antenna cable at about the right length. We can mount on our bracket, and there's a small cutaway here. That's where the cable goes. So we can mount the antenna now, undo the nut, thread it through there. And the nut here has a little shoulder on it, so you have to line that up with the hole in the bracket. There it goes. That's in there. Obviously tighten that up with a spanner. So once we have the antenna mounted, we can install this cable tie here. Make sure you do that before you attach the mount onto the bracket. We'll give that a trim in a minute. And then you can adjust your cable length as well, making sure the cable goes through this cutout here, like so. Now we can put the bolts in. Alright, we can lock that in. So now we're going to run our antenna cable through the hole that we drilled and remount this plastic bit onto the mirror. So as you're installing both these cables, just make sure that none of them are intruding into the holes here. So there's two ways to route your antenna cable. The easiest way is to come down the door, out the side of the trim, and then in the lower supplied grommet from Toyota. We'll drill a hole through that and we'll run the cable in there. The other way is to run it through the door, behind the glass, and then through the factory loom grommet, which we don't recommend because it'd be pretty damn hard. Okay, so with the grommet, we just get a screwdriver or some flat-bladed device and just pop it out like that. So we're just going to drill the grommet straight in the center there. So we're going to install the mirror back onto the car. We'll feed our antenna cable through the hole. Okay. And he goes there. Okay, that is staying there by itself. So we're just going to install our 3 bolts to reinstall the mirror. Be careful not to drop them in there. Now, don't go too crazy because these are actually screwing back into plastic, not steel. And we'll just plug back in the power mirrors. So we're just going to reinstall our grommet here and feed our cable into there. Once the cable's into the cabin, you can locate it and just pass the rest of it through. I'm just going to put a cable tie here to keep these two together, help stop them chafing. We do recommend putting a bit of Sikaflex around this hole here to stop dust and water getting in. Also, you can run your cable a little bit longer so you have a slight drop here, so if any water does get on there, it will run not into your cabin. So we're just going to put our door trim back on now. With the handle here, we're just going to feed the handle and the lock section through there. There he is there. Okay. It just clips back in, and then pass the, put that on there. We have the plug here for the power windows, and line up all the screws, the 3 screws, Okay. 2 big screws. And the little screw in next to the door latch here. Also the handle trim just gets pushed in. So we're just going to put the power window door trim back on. Just a matter of pushing it back on. And the armrest here has a little clip that needs to go back into here. There we go, he's in, he just drops in. So now we have to plug our speaker back in here. Plug him in. Oh, push him back in. Lovely. So now with the door trim, we just need to push it all back in, clip everything back in. And this cable here sits between a couple of the clips in here. That's our mirror antenna mount. For more information, head to kaon.com.au to check it out.